Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Weng Sensei, your online tutor. Our expression of the day is, give me a chance. Let's begin. We use the expression, give me a chance, to say that we need more time to do something. Example conversation. You were given 2 days to finish this. What happened? Clark will send the information I need to finish that. Give me a chance to complete it. Tomorrow it will be on your desk. Complete this conversation using the video. Use give me a chance in your response. Let's try this. I told you not to answer back to your teacher. Type your answer on the comment section. For tomorrow's expression of the day, we will use out of curiosity. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get your daily expression of the day. Like and share this video and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching and see you again tomorrow. Again, this is Weng Sensei, your online tutor.